I want to say today that democracy is about to somersault in Taraba. Governor Ishaku have been so impatient with the position and is assaulting democracy in Taraba, particularly in southern Taraba. And to us, he's testing the water. And if he got scot-free with what he's doing, we don't know what he will do as the election approaches. As I speak today, my DG is still under detention in prison. After the bail was reviewed, the magistrate court granted him bail. The High Court issued another warrant again for his custody, for charges that was still political. They called my DG all sorts of names, comparing him to Ghana in Benue. And there's no record to show where he kidnapped, he killed, or he did anything wrong anywhere. The same fellow assisted them, was working for them, and for the governor, and he won election in 2019. Now, because he's not, to get together with them, he has become a bad person. He didn't stop there. As I speak today and again, my local government coordinator of Okari, the coordinator of our government aspirant, Senator Bwacha, and the party chairman of the local government are in prison today. They were arrested. They were invited they were summoned to the court some few days ago, and were taken to police custody and later to prison. For the singular fact that they reported to the police that there was an attempt, because there was an attempt to attack us during the coronation of the two traditional rulers in Takun and Donga. I'm sorry, in Donga and Okari. I've not seen where in law that you write a petition where you are alerting the security agencies of a crime that's about to be committed, and now instead of the police investigating the matter, they turned against you that wrote the petition. It's not even the police that arrested them. They were invited by the court, and from there, the court granted him bail that they should bring a permanent secretary, Ashoti, which is still not even possible. As they couldn't achieve that, they couldn't provide, the PAM said they now took them to an area command for detention. They kept them there, and the next day they were taken to court, back to the court. From the court, they took them straight to prison. They are now in prison for the singular fact that they are law-abiding citizens of Nigeria by reporting a crime against us, which those people that they reported that they plan have not even been invited, neither were they taken to court. Everything is targeted at opposition, particularly in southern Taraba. I felt I should update you so that you know what's happening in our state, that you should also further help us. We are meeting out, I'm crying to the Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces, President Muhammadu Buhari, the security agencies, the Security High Command, the judiciary, to quickly raise the occasion to save democracy in Taraba. If nothing is done, we don't know where we're heading to. We are law-abiding citizens. We will keep appealing to our people not to take law into their hand. We will continue to explore all the judicial process, all what we can do to ensure that justice is done to our people, to ensure that democracy thrives in Taraba. We will not encourage anarchy. We will not encourage any breakdown of law and order. We'll work hard to ensure the right thing is done. That's why I said I should come in this morning to update you on what's happening in my state. I have the name of all those people that they have. 3 of our aides, our political associates, the coordinators, the local government, party local government chairman, they are in the prison today. They've been since yesterday. They took him to prison. They'll be there till next week. We don't know what will happen next again. We are being intimidated all over. And all this is geared towards 2023 election. If you know that it's on ground, why is he still afraid of opposition? If you know that you are on ground, why should you use state power, state resources to muzzle of opposition? Is the governance? I'm choosing judiciary in the state. You know what's happening. They know it's wrong, but they cannot do anything. So I'm calling up on the Mr. President, the Chief of the Federation, the National Judicial Council, to go into this matter to ensure so that we will stop the breakdown of law and order. That, as I speak yesterday, 4 people were killed in Kusati. If you are following everything, there was a time I wrote an open letter to him about the crisis in southern Taraba, about how people are being killed by bandits. Over 50 villages are razed down. So what's he busy doing? What is the criminality here? Criminality when you go about to campaign to say that people should believe. What is the crime? Can they tell you? Have they told you what the crime is? Apart from the lies they are chunking out, can they prove it? I've taken, for your information, I've taken Taraba Truth and Fact to court for label. I'm demanding for 10.5 billion. Because he alleged that my vehicle was arrested with arms. Where they cannot prove it? Where's my vehicle? This thing happened over 3-4 months ago. They should bring it out. Where's the vehicle? And who are the people involved? Did I know them? They should come and say they know me. It's a legal issue. I'm in court already. And I'm even taking the state government, the commission to court for label too. You must prove that. They should come up with the criminal. This is purely political. The chairman of the party in the government is in police. Well, I think you can ask lawyers. How did it happen? Somebody went to court straight to lodge a complaint. After they wrote a petition against him, he went to court and arranged, and even went to government house. The Attorney General was also involved. I don't need to say some things here. It's purely political. No, I cannot speak on what I don't know, what I cannot see. But this is a criminal complaint by the state arrangement to the court, to the unarranged court, magistrate court in Jalingo. They were invited. They called me and said, go and report go to the court. They went there with the lawyer. Just for the magistrate to say okay, you granted, I don't know what happened. They said you granted them bail. But there was no proper trial. You granted them bail on the condition that they should produce the permanent secretary. With the sum of 5 million naira, and they were making all sorts of demands, which is not impossible. No permanent secretary in the state will agree to shorty for anybody from the position, which is not possible. It's not like giving you this on the right hand and collect it by the left hand. All plead to the magistrate to vary these things. He turned a deaf ear. Even yesterday, my lawyer called me and said he had gone to his village. That will not come back till Monday. You can see the arrangement. And then from there, they took them to area command to keep them in custody. They brought them yesterday. And yesterday, there was no trial. They just sent them, since they could not fulfill the bail conditions, they took them to Motumbiu, minimum prison. They want prison in Motumbiu, correction center, in Motumbiu.